Welcome guys, this video is going to be a quick tutorial on quick and easy everyday makeup. So here we go. Step one, of course, is prime. It's a crime not to prime your skin, guys. We want to make sure that we've got pores filled in, that we've got oil control, the skin's prepped and ready. Now I'm going to take this color here. It's called Mango in the 3D Foundation by Maskcara, and this little brush. These are all cream foundations. They apply so beautifully. I am placing just swatches of color all over the cheek with one end of the brush. And then I'm going to flip the brush over and I'm just gonna buff that right into the skin. Cream foundations are great because it looks like skin. It's not over mattifying, so it doesn't dull things out. You still get that freshness of the skin coming through that cream foundation. So I'm just speeding it up here. Application is the same for both sides of the face. When you're working under the eye, instead of dragging the color out, you want to kind of pat the color in there, like I was just showing you there. Working my way up to the forehead. And just making sure it's all worked into the skin. Next, we are going to add, this color here is called Stone. This is a cream contour. With that same brush, I'm going to apply that contour right where I want it, right underneath the cheekbone. And then I take that fluffier side of the brush, and as you can see, I'm just kind of pouncing it into the skin. I'm not really dragging it. Once that color is applied, I'm just buffing it in. These creams melt into each other, so it seriously makes blending the colors together super easy. A little on my temples, a little across my forehead. Doing even just light contour like this helps to bring dimension back to the face. Now, it's time to decide what color to apply to the cheeks. This color is Summer Love. I'm going to take a stippling brush for this. I'm going to stipple into that color. And then I actually stipple it onto the cheek where I want the focus of that color. And then just like everything else, buffing it into the skin, melting those colors together. This is the perfect color for just a little flush of pink. And again, these are all cream products, so it still looks like skin. It does not look like or feel like heavy makeup. As a professional makeup artist, films, commercial sets, I always used cream because it just reads as skin on the camera. With the same color and stippling brush, I'm just dusting this color across the eyelids. And now I'm going to take my ring finger and patting into the same color, Summer Love, and I'm going to throw this across the lips. Now I've got just kind of the soft, pretty pink all over. Cheek, lids, and my lips. Now I'm going to take this beautiful cream highlighter. This is a rose gold color. This color, this cream is actually really sheer. You just pat that on, and again, these creams just melt right into each other. The only way that you can make this makeup look streaky is if you don't try. They just mix so well. A little on the tip of my nose, a little across my lips there just to kind of highlight those points. You don't have to do this. Now, eyebrows. I like to brush all my little hairs up, what I have left anyway. Dip right into this dark brown. So what I do for a natural filled in brow is I line and shape the bottom. That's where I put the concentration of color, right there at the bottom. And then without dipping in color there, I was flicking the color up into the hairs. And I pick up a little more color where I have like sparse areas of my brow where there's no hair. So I pick up more color for there, and then I take the spoolie end and I'm going to just brush all of that through so it's nice and soft. So even though it's still defined, it's not a harsh brow because we're using that spoolie to kind of brush it through and soften the edges. I don't think I need to explain this step, but you know, a little lash curler action. Because our next step, boom, mascara. Am I the only one that loves the sound of the mascara tube? So just a couple quick coats of mascara for easy everyday makeup. And a little mascara on the bottom lashes. I have like 7 bottom eyelashes, but I still put mascara on them. And here you go. Super quick, super easy. Every day, get up and go makeup. Hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one.